Maybe we have here that statement father buy a land and mother go to shopping at the supermarket. What is wrong with this statement? Okay, my name is Suhaila Julia Hussein. I'm from Universitas Tekomar. In this video, I would like to address gender equality in today's world. Gender equality has a fundamental of part human based of principle all individuals, all the people. Regardless all the gender deserve fair treatment and equal opportunities all aspects the social life include employment, education, education, politics, and social life. Women are often oppressed and exploited under a patriarchal cultural system. In the modern society, the boundary of gender roles is more fluid. Many women now also work and men take care of children. Even most women to work hard in breadwinner and men a husband. Unfortunately, research say that in Indonesia, gender is still serious challenge. World Economic Forum has released Global Gender Gap Report 2022, say the gender inequality index in there is in the sector of politics, followed by economic sector, health, and education. It indicates that we still have to work and to achieve SDGs 5 about gender equality as suggested by United Nations. So, what we can do as university students? First of all, become aware of gender roles. Second, become sensitive toward underlying ideology around gender roles, and speak up when finding injustice around gender roles in everyday life, and last, empower wider society through society advocacy. So, stops in society stop normalizing father buy a land and mother go to shopping at the market, or woman in the kitchen and men go to work. We can do better than that. So, I'm Suhaila Julia Hussein. Thank you and bye.